Dreaming of studying abroad but worried about the cost? Don't let your budget hold you back. Let's explore some of the most affordable countries for international students in 2025. First up, Malaysia. Imagine studying in a vibrant, multicultural hub with stunning natural beauty. Tuition fees are incredibly low, often under $4,000 a year, and living costs are a fraction of what you'd pay in the West. Next, consider Poland. Located in the heart of Europe, it offers high-quality education, rich history, and a lively student scene. Public universities often have very low tuition fees, and your daily expenses will be surprisingly manageable. Finally, think about Mexico, with its colorful culture, delicious food, and welcoming people. It's a fantastic destination. You can find excellent programs at a great price, leaving you more money to explore everything the country has to offer. Which country caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more study abroad tips.